This is a new 2016 Ford F-150. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Antelope Valley Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1155 Auto Mall Drive, Lancaster, California, 93534.